Welcome to you. Today in this video, we will introduce you to an app. With this app, you can instantly send unlimited dollars to any of your accounts. For example, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Binance, Blockchain Wallet, Atomic Wallet, etc. And it's not Flash USDT, so you can withdraw this dollar. Even you can withdraw this dollar to Binance Funding Wallet. This app is brand new in the market, so it works 100%. Let's prove that then. This is our USDT sender app. The interface of this app is very user-friendly. You can see here that its balance is unlimited, so you can withdraw as many dollars as you want. From here to your preferred wallet, in the first option, you have to enter your wallet address. And in the second option, you enter the amount of dollars you want to withdraw. And finally, press the withdraw button, and your dollars will go to your wallet in only 10 to 12 seconds. So let's see how exactly it works. Now, you see my Binance funding balance is 0 at once. Now let's refresh this page. See, there is no balance in my account. So let's copy the deposit address. Now let's go to the USDT sender app. I paste my wallet address here. Now I will withdraw $5,000 to show you. I entered the dollar amount and click the withdraw button. Processing. The withdrawal was successful to my address. So let's go to Binance and see if the dollars are really coming in. Let's reload Binance. Yes, the transaction was successful. Let's again reload Binance. Yes, dollars have indeed been added to my wallet. Our app will work 1000%, and our company is trustworthy, so you can trust us freely. And the app is worth $100 for the first 20 people to promote our app. So buy now to get this discount. To buy the USDT sender app, contact the Telegram link given in the video description. Thank you.